Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to present you with an app called Expeditions. The app uses augmented reality and can be used to enhance your lectures or class activities. After you and your students download and install the app, you as a teacher print a series of codes the app produces. Here I'm choosing an expedition about the Revolutionary War to show you how it works. The codes you print can be placed around the classroom for the students to scan. What you're seeing on the left of your screen is what you as a teacher will see on your phone or your tablet. What's on the right is what's on the student's phone. You have control of what object is displayed and when to switch to a different one. You can search among the many expeditions. You can look at different locations, different objects from important events and well-known publications and works of art. You also have space and other science expeditions, current events, and more. The app is free and available for PC and Mac. I think it's a neat way to motivate the kids to learn. If you're interested in using it, contact me. I can help you search for a particular topic, set it up for you and your students. I hope you like it.